Establishing classroom rules which are clear and consistently reinforced is an important step when setting up a positive learning environment, mainly because you want to set students up to succeed and be very clear about what is expected of them. Students also tend to want clear rules for the classroom so they know what the deal is, and having a system in place is reassuring. To give you ideas, I'm going to share 3 ways to introduce rules to a class. Idea number 1 is to create a class contract. Have a class discussion about what rules would make them feel safe and respected in the classroom, and then write these down on a list. Of course, you can suggest some too, or help them develop ideas, but I really like this activity because it gives them a sense of ownership over the rules. Try to keep the list short and sweet to maybe 5 to 8 rules if you can. Once the contract is written, grab a couple of trays of paint and get everybody to sign it with a handprint. Then you can display it somewhere nice and visible so that if anyone in the class ever needs a reminder of the rules, you have something nearby to refer to. Alternatively, you can type it up on a nice display poster and have students sign it with a handprint later, or however they like. This would also give you an opportunity to go back over it and revise it later. Idea number 2 is to discuss why rules matter. Having rules is one thing, but why bother following them? What would happen if there were no rules at home, in the classroom, in the playground, on the roads? These are all things worth talking about to help children understand why rules are important. You could even put them into groups, allocate a different space to each group of students, and then have them brainstorm what it would be like if there were no rules in the space. If they wanted to get creative, they could even reenact what this might look like, and then you could have a discussion about it. There's actually a PowerPoint on the Twinkle website which can help walk you through this discussion, so I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Idea number 3 is to reinforce classroom expectations. Encouraging and rewarding good behavior and having fair and logical consequences for negative behavior will help children respect the rules you put in place. It'll also help them remember, so as time goes on, this will become second nature to them. For students who are having trouble remembering and following the rules, make sure you catch them when they're doing the right thing and let them know the positive consequences of their behavior. Of course, this is just a good thing to do in general. Using incentives can be a powerful tool as well, like a sticker chart where students can collect stamps or stickers from a teacher when they've impressed them with their good behavior. Are there any strategies that you use to establish rules in your classroom? We'd love to hear about them, so please leave a comment down below if you'd like to share. Thank you for watching and have a great day.